I'm from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right? Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, I am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
I have, but in my wrist, only
Okay,
small tattoo.
okay. So why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Um, because I want to, for my family, I want to work there for my family and for my future.
Is this your first time working abroad?
I am an ex abroad in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Rose Ann Lamis.
How old are you?
I am 34 years old, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
I am single, ma'am.
Single mother or single with live-in partner or there is no children?
I am single with live-in partner and no children, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 22, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11", I think, and my weight is 47.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What
Roman
about
Catholic.
Okay, what about your educational background?
I am high school graduate, ma'am.
Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
34 years old, ma'am, and he's a housekeeping
How
in the
many
Philippines.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
The second, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 67 years old and he's retired, no working. My
Okay.
mother is a housewife, uh, 54 years old.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia way back 2021 to 2025 for 4 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties, your previous employment in Saudi?
I'm cleaning the house, ma'am, and doing laundry, ironing, washing the clothes, and cleaning the house, and watching the children,
Did,
and washing the car, and cleaning the garden.
or you do the gardening,
Yeah,
is it?
do the garden.
Did you cook there?
Sometimes, ma'am, I cook when my madam told me to cook the simple dishes only.
Okay. How old are those children that you assist?
When I got there, they are 3 years old twins and
Okay.
9 years old.
So total three.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you assist on taking care of these children or you're really taking care of these children?
No, I am only assisting, ma'am.
Okay. So there any helper inside the house or are you alone?
I am alone, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I finished contract, ma'am,
Okay. So why you didn't continue working with this employer?
because I want to work in different to a country also, ma'am, and want to have a new experience.
Okay. So, Rose, I would like to let you know that Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is different from Malaysia, okay? So you need to get
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
yourself. I don't want later that you will compare Saudi and Malaysia because it's different one. Malaysia here, employers is very particular when it comes of cleanliness and the houses here is quite big. There is no joke, okay? So you need to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Saudi Arabia. Okay? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Um, I can. I'm willing to learn, ma'am. I
Okay.
know how to for you, she said.
As long as you are willing to learn, then there is no problem. Okay? So, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
it's just a yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ah. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Pets, yes, ma'am, but not the big dogs.
It's
I'm
okay.
afraid of this.
So, you're okay on taking care of small pets, okay? Okay, so this is a 2 years contract, yeah? As I have mentioned many times, any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come into work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
We don't force people to come here. If you agree, it's fine. Please work properly. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Okay? Okay. So normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
I'm just I keep busy at work, ma'am.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself at the same time knowing that you don't have any children right now, but sooner or later you could have it once you also think about your future together with your living partner, okay? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble
Yes,
ourselves
ma'am.
because we are a foreigner in this country, okay? Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. Greetel, Rose, right? It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank you,
much and have a good day.
ma'am.
Bye.